Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic diary entry. So, first of all, you must know what is a diary entry, and you should know the diary also. About the diary, one diary is there where you write the daily homework, and one diary is there where you write your personal feelings, your personal experiences. So today we are going to discuss about that particular diary where you write your personal feelings, your personal experiences you want to share with that. So a diary is where you keep your personal musing about your life, the people in it, and the things you care about. Your diary is a safe place where you can be honest and candid about your thoughts, feelings, and opinion. Means you are very much true at that time. Diaries are for the eyes of their owners and no one else. Means only you and your diary. You both are conversing to each other. No any third person is there. So your diary is for you and by you. Reflect, create, dream. Do whatever you want with your words. Means the diary is very much personal thing. Now you must know what is a diary entry. A diary entry is a section of writing that has been organized by date. The entries within your diaries are how you organize the thoughts, feelings, and opinions you are pouring into it. They break up your diary into smallest pieces. Think of them like chapters of a book. They can be as short or as long as you want. So, before we start the diary writing, I want to give you some tips regarding that. Since diaries entry are like chapter in a book, so first have to decide what your book is going to be about. Brainstorm ideas for your diary, like whether you want it to be just about you or about a specific topic. Once you have a theme, then you can begin. So you have to write the date in your entries. Since your diary will be kept cover in a long period of time, so each of your entries should be dated based on when you write them. Free diary software does for this you. Now, second one is your topic. What is the topic of your diary entry? What you are going to be write. Then the third one is that it should be natural. That don't feel your diaries need to impress anyone. No. It is your personal and it should be natural. Then you should be truthful. Don't tell lie before your diary. Whatever the things are in actuality, you have to write the same in your diary. Then be friend to your diary. Try not to hide anything. Whatever is in your mind, you write all the things. And you cultivate the habit of writing the diary and reread your diary. And if you want to make any entry again, then you can write again also. Then make it your habit that you must write the diary daily in the evening. You know that about diary, I want to tell you that diary entry is very much personal. We are sharing our feelings with the diary. When we are not able to share our feelings with some person, then we share them with the diary and we can tell each and everything to them. Some days before Pranab Mukherjee became President of India, and somebody asked him, "Sir, how do you account for your wonderful memory?" The reply was that, according to the advice of a teacher, he began to write a diary even when he was a school student. Means since the school days he was in the habit of writing the diary. So writing a diary is a useful habit. Just turning over the pages of a diary refreshes our memory and we can mentally relive the past. Also, right from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, a lot of things happen to us, and we need not record all of them but can mention only those which are of interest and value in the years to come. Means many things happened in the day since morning till night. It is not necessary that all the things we are writing in our diary, but some important things, the things that you feel that these are important in the past also, in future also, so that we can write those things. So need not to recall all the things that happened in the day, but important things you can share with your diary. Then always write the date, day and time in your diary. You can give a salutation to your diary, just as dear diary. Some examples I will show you so that you can learn how to write a diary. So see example number 1 on your screen. You see, Neelam is a housewife. One day a maid joins her service. The following is her diary about the event. Now see, it is the date written, day and time also we will write, and then we will give the salutation, dear diary. I was badly in need of a maid, so I heaved a sign of relief when today Shanti agreed to be our domestic help. Age 32, true to her name, she is very peaceful. She is just the opposite of our previous maid, who was very noisy. I hope that she will prove to be useful to us. And downside you can write your name. So it's a memorable event, you can say, for the lady who was in the need of a maid. So she has written this diary entry. And who is the writer of this diary entry? It is Neelam, who is a housewife, and she was in the badly need of a maid. And when she got the maid, she was very much happy, and therefore she write the incident in her diary because she wanted to make it memorable. Therefore she has written all these things in her diary. Okay, so in this way we can write the diary. Now see, one more example is there. Hitesh is a student of class 8th. One day he told his teacher a lie that he could not do his homework due to illness. The following is his diary entry. So now we are talking about Hitesh, who is a student of class 8th, and the main thing is that he is a very good boy, but even then one day he spoke a lie, he told a lie, and he was very much upset about it. So he wrote the incident in his diary. This is about, see, the date is written there. We will write the time also and we will write the date also. Generally in diary entry we write the time, it is night, just as you can 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. because when we are free in the evening or when we are going to bed, at that time we feel that we should share the incident or the things that happened all during the day, and we write them in the diary. So in this way, Hitesh is going to write the diary in the evening, or we can say at night. So the date is written here. My parents have advised me to speak the truth at any cost. However, I ignored their advice today when I told my teacher that I could not do my homework due to illness. So this thing is pricking my conscience. So let me resolve that I will never tell a lie again. So the boy was very much true to his diary. He has not spoken a lie here. Whatever mistake he has done, he told all the things to his diary, and he was feeling very guilty at that time, and he told each and everything to his diary. So in this way we can say that we are very much true to our diary. We are not to be very much informal. We should write the diary. Whatever the thoughts are in our mind, we should write all them. We should be natural in writing the diary. Whatever is coming to our mind, we should write that. I think the things are clear to you and you will be able to write the diary. And tomorrow again we shall discuss the same topic, and we shall discuss the exercise also and some examples of diary writing also. So it's bye for today. Bye students.